7.3 says Lesibana was granted a loan for 250,000. This is your P. The rate of interest for the loan is 9% per annum, compounded monthly. So this is your I, equal to 9% is same as 9 over 100, which is 0.09 over monthly compounded. So it's divided by 12. Ready? You've got your P and your I. Lesibana will make monthly payments of 5,500. That's your X, starting exactly 4 months after the loan was granted. How many payments will Lesibana make to settle the loan? Okay, so look at this. I'll just quickly draw a timeline. I told you that you must always draw a timeline, man, when you like doing financial maths. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. Eh? So this guy takes out a loan today for 225,000. Okay, so now he makes monthly payments of or installments of 5,500. Ne? Normally or like conventionally, according to our present value formula, ne? Ne? According to our present value formula, this is made, or rather, let's put it this way: this formula is made on the assumption that a period after making the loan, the person makes their regular payments, be it monthly or quarterly, whatever it is. So manje here, they say that this guy makes the receiver will make monthly installment payments of 5,500 starting 4 months, exactly 4 months after the loan. So this guy will make his first installment 4 months after the loan. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. He's gonna make his first installment there, ne? Monthly installment, then after that there, and so on. Now we know normally like the regular payment is made a period after the loan. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this 225,000. We're gonna accumulate it. It's gonna get interest until there. We're gonna make it gain interest until here, ne? And once it gains interest until there, then we'll have our normal like sort of present value situation that applies this formula. I hope that makes sense. We sort of did this earlier. Does that make sense, good people? Does it make sense? Right. So now this will gain interest. How is it going to gain interest? We're going to go you're going to use this formula. P A equal to P 1 plus I to the power N. Our current situation is this 225,000, and then it gets interest. What is the in interest there? It's 0.09 over 12 to the power. How many times does it gain interest? 3 times. Can you guys tell me what the answer is after punching there? Can you guys tell me the answer there? This will give you 230,100.56. Okay, so this is the accumulated amount of this investment from 225,000, having waited for 3 months. So this is 230,000. 100.56. Okay, so now this is basically the loan amount at that time period will have gained interest. So now you can then go ahead and apply your assisting your present value formula. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply it. So the question was, how many payments will the receiver make to settle the loan? So essentially, you're working around this, the N. So the loan amount essentially is 230,100.56 equal to your X is 5,500. Remember that's given there. Then you have 1 minus 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to the power minus N. We're going to come to this over 0.09 over 12. Okay, you cross multiply. Can you guys cross multiply and tell me about this and this give me? You cross multiply them. Yes, please speak. Do you guys get this answer? Hmm? Okay. You get the same answer, ne? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 5, 6. This, ne? So, so we get that. So remember that we're looking for n, so we're gonna get rid of everything surrounding n. The quickest thing to get rid of here is the 5,500. We divide both sides by 5,500, so that we get rid of that in front there. So this on the left hand side will give us a very long 0.31 so rather keep it as a decimal so that you don't lose values. Very, very important. Okay, sharp. I don't have to put this because everything's removed. Then I could take okay, let's take I could take this bit here, ne? I could take this bit to the left hand side and becomes a positive, and I can take this to the right hand side becomes negative. So this will then simplify to 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to the power minus n equal to 1 minus 17,025.7542 over 5,500. Ne? Sharp, sharp. And then that's about that. Then remember that you're looking for n, so you're going to take logs because you want to take it down. And when we take logs, both sides, we're going to have log. I'll just rewrite everything and not be lazy so that my learners understand what you do on one side, you must do on the other. Remember that this 5,500 only divides this, doesn't divide the 1 as well, so please be careful. And after that, the law of log says that if you find, like, if you take the log of an exponent, you can take the exponent in front like that. So if you have minus n there, log, are we all happy with me putting the minus n in front? Guys, can you please talk? Are you happy? Because I can't, I'm not too sure if you guys are happy. Alright, so the aim is to be left with n alone on one side, so you're going to go log 1 plus 0.09 over 12, then minus there, so that this minus cancels that, and this cancels that. What you do on one side, you must do on the other side. Minus. Don't forget the minus there. Can you guys punch this and tell me the answer? Ratire? Ratire, do you want to say something or you want to give us the answer? Tsoku. Utsoku is very chilled, man. Utsoku is one of those quiet guys in class. Quiet, but not quiet, but chilled. Utsoku strikes me as one of those chilled guys in class. Doesn't talk too much, doesn't keep quiet too much. It's just okay. Utsoku. Can you guys give me the answer there? I'm waiting for you. This is 9. I'm waiting for you. I wanted to say a joke, but I'm getting recorded. That joke. Okay, let's keep quiet. Can you guys give me the answer there? Just write it as it is. Like, put it in your calculator as you see it. You can't go wrong. Yes, I'm waiting. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, 50,39. That's absolutely correct. So this is the number of periods until the last payment. Again, this is the number of periods until the last payment. So let's go back to our question. What does our question say? Our question says, how many payments will Lesiba make to settle the loan? So remember that Lesiba makes monthly installments, ne? So now he only starts making the installments 4 months after. So so that's essentially this. What you see here is a number of periods until the last payment. Number of periods until the last payment. So our loan basically starts here, and then number of periods until the last payment. So it's 1, 2, 3, and so on. But these number of periods coincidentally are essentially the number of installments. So therefore, the number of installments will be 50.39. But you can't say, I made 1.2 payments. You must round it off and say, therefore, they made 59 payments, 51 payments. Does that make sense? Proper stuff. I'm going to close the recording quickly.